With me today is Dina Zaman of Gallery Lumina. Dina, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Kate.
So tell me a little bit about the name of your gallery, what it means, and how it all got started.
Well, when I came here first, I had difficulties, communication and driving and everything. So I saw many difficulties, and few things I saw women have more problem going in the front line. So when I made my mark, I thought, okay, I did something for myself. Now it's time to pull up sisterhood. So, and I still believe women still needs to pull each other, even in 2026. So that's how we opened the gallery. It's specifically focused on women in arts.
Wonderful. And the name Lumina, where did that come from?
Yeah, Lumina came from, so it's specifically a women-focused art gallery, and we wanted to show something through our gallery name that's a beautiful light. And luminous is a beautiful word, is a beautiful light. It means it's a Greek word, so we wanted to keep this name
That's
to show the beautiful
beautiful.
light.
I
Yeah.
love that connection.
Yes.
Wonderful. Well, I'm so excited to hear more about the gallery. I also see these beautiful spices. Tell me about the dish we're making today.
We are making shrimp curry.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, it's a quick, easy, and I love it because both my kids love it, and I make it all the time for my kids.
Anything your kids will eat, we know is going to be good. I
Yes.
can't wait to get started. Dina, tell us what ingredients we'll need today.
The ingredients we will need today: 1 small onion, salt for seasoning, about 1 pound shrimp, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon each, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, and some warm water.
Well, these ingredients look amazing. Let's get started.
So yeah, first we have to make sure it's warm enough, the pan is warm enough, then we will add the oil.
Always a good start.
Oh, that's a good start, yeah. Then we will add the shrimp because we want them a little bit fried before we start it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay.
That's a good sound.
Yeah, that means it's warm enough.
Yeah.
And now, while
Just kind of let those go.
yeah, let this go.
Now we're cooking.
Yes. So now
Okay, we let it wait and
we put the shrimp in, and then we will put a little bit of turmeric first, not the whole thing.
okay. Why is that?
It's shrimp has a shrimpy smell,
Oh yeah.
so we want to get rid of that
the
shrimpy
shrimpy
smell.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah, so a little bit of turmeric for get rid of the smell, and fry them with that.
That is smart.
Yeah.
Is this the kind of thing you'd make on like a weeknight for your family, or would this be? Is it easy enough to throw together?
Yes, it's so easy. I make it pretty frequent.
Yeah.
I mean, whenever kids say, "Mom, there is nothing," even though there is 10 things in the fridge,
Yeah,
they
there's
say
nothing to
there's
eat.
nothing to eat. So I make this, and they love it.
That's great.
Yeah. And then now
We can let those cook if we need to, or do we add the onion now?
no, we can add the onion.
Okay.
Yes. And then in the beginning we will put the heat little bit up,
Okay.
and then we will add the onion. It's kind of getting reddish,
Yeah.
so now we can add onion.
Okay.
We don't need whole onion, we need maybe half of this. Well, more onion, more tasty.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay, and now we will take some salt.
Okay. Just a little bit,
Taste.
or
No, as much as
Okay.
this shrimp needs, so
Okay.
yes.
you tell me when to stop, or should I
Okay.
put it all in?
I think that's good enough.
That's good.
Yeah.
Start. We can always add more.
We can always add more.
I love the color that the turmeric adds.
See, now you don't get the
Yeah,
shrimp
it's-
smell, you know?
You get the aroma of
more,
the spice.
more aroma and more curry kind of flavor.
Yes, that warm smell.
Yeah. So now we let it fry. for a
Okay,
little
let them
bit.
go.
We will add all the spice when this. You see the water here?
Yeah.
We want this water to get
Oh,
dry.
to kind of dry
Yeah,
up, and
yeah.
then we'll add
Then
the
we
spices.
will add
Okay.
the spices.
Keep an eye
But
out.
we don't want to cook too much
Sure.
because otherwise shrimp will be hard,
Rubbery.
rubbery. Yeah. So now most of the waters are gone.
Yeah.
So I'll start
Okay.
now.
So we can add all the seasonings?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to? You
So-
can do some too. That's
I would say let's slowly
Okay.
drop and see how much. it should be too spicy. Don't half.
Okay, about half of that.
Yeah, half.
Good?
Of it. Yeah, good. Otherwise, it'll be too spicy. Yeah. So yes, we can add those.
All
now.
of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
All of it.
So colorful.
Yeah.
Oh, smelling amazing.
Already, right?
Releasing those aromas. Okay, this one. Do we put any more turmeric in?
Yes, we will put a little bit turmeric now.
Okay. Should I add
Okay.
all? Stop
That's-
there.
no, that's it.
okay. You're like, please stop.
Yeah. So now what we will do before we add water, we want to make sure even the spices,
Mm-hmm.
they have also their raw smell.
Sure,
We
you wanna cook it off. Yes, yeah,
cook it
yeah.
off. So before we
Okay.
add some water,
Make sure it all gets cooked and coated.
yeah, then what we will do after it cooks a little bit, we will add a little bit warm water, not
Okay.
the whole thing,
Okay.
just a little bit. So now, yes, it's ready to
You think
add.
it's ready?
Yeah,
A little bit of warm water.
just
Okay.
a little bit of warm water.
Good?
A little more.
Little more. I didn't want to overdo it.
Okay, good.
There we go.
So now what happening, we are cooking the spices with this little water.
It's almost making a sauce.
It's making a
Yeah.
sauce, and we I don't know how to say this. We call it koshano. So koshano
Okay.
means we are preparing all the flavor.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
It smells incredible.
We didn't put salt.
We did
Yes,
put a little
yes,
bit of
yes,
salt.
yes.
We did. I recall that.
Okay, so it's kind of ready now for
Okay.
rest of the water. We'll do a little bit.
Do you think I add a little bit more?
No,
No, okay, it's
just
good.
wait a minute.
All right. It smells amazing. Looks beautiful. Does come together quickly.
Yeah, that's why I thought, okay, let's do shrimp. It's just I come downstairs, make it.
Yeah.
They're happy. I'm happy.
Exactly.
I
Can't
can go
wrong.
back to my painting.
That's perfect. How do you know when it's done? Can you just kind of tell?
You can
Yeah.
tell, yeah. And the reason I'm stirring, because in the middle pan is more hot.
Oh, sure. Yeah,
So
move
we
it
want-
around.
Yeah, move it around. That's why. So it's ready now. You
makes
can
sense.
tell it's shrimp are red.
Yeah.
Spices are
Like
nice
cooked
and
and
cooked. Now
softened,
we
yeah.
can add some more hot water, and then yes.
Okay,
we
should I
can
go ahead and add a
yeah,
little bit?
Yeah, just all over a little bit hot water, and it's red. It will be ready. We'll let it sit for a little
Is that
bit.
good?
Little more. Yeah, this
Don't
time
wanna
more.
screw it up.
We are making the gravy now.
Okay.
Okay, it's good now. So now it will sit.
Yeah,
for a
kind of
little
simmer.
bit. Yeah, and then it's
Looks beautiful.
thank you.
Oh, so easy, but so delicious. Okay, while this incredible shrimp finishes cooking, tell us about some of the exhibits that people might see at Gallery Lumina.
So every month in Gallery Lumina we have open call through our website. It's luminaartspace.com. Through our website we have open call, and we highly focus on local women artists, but it's open call for national and international. So women artists can apply for this, and then from that there is a selection, and every month we have new group of women artists exhibit in the gallery.
Wow, so it kind of rotates, people can see something new.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful, and great exposure for local women artists.
Yes, absolutely. And we also have Artist of the Month award to encourage women artists. And every time we want to do pull up a lot of women artists together. But if we can give exposure to one artist, that's good for them. each one.
Absolutely, that's huge.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, I love hearing about that. What else is going on at the gallery that people can see?
So we have few more things exciting. We have kids art classes, adult art classes, adult master art classes where we teach we go deep, drawing, oil painting and everything. And we have a very special Friday night workshop, which is little bit of snack and tea and paint out. So it's 2 hours. It's like a fun sip and paint kind of thing, more therapeutic art therapy. And also we have workshops we invite local artists from different areas like pottery, eco printing, all kind of artwork, and they run workshop through our gallery.
Oh, that's great. So people
Yeah.
can try new art forms.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful. And it sounds like such a community, especially with those Friday night
Yes, it is.
workshops.
And from this year we are also adding for refugee community, which is I should say New American community. We are offering them 2 days a month. After school program, kids can come and we will
Wonderful.
provide them. We will provide them art supplies, and they can paint with us.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
It's accessible for everyone.
Yes, yes.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Well, Dina, thank you so much for being here, for teaching me this incredible dish. It's been great to hear about the gallery. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, I think we should give this a taste.
Yeah, sure. Let's
That's
do it.
incredible.